Craving that smooth, garlicky hummus you only get at good restaurants? Let's make it from scratch. No preservatives, no shortcuts, just creamy, rich flavor you'll keep coming back to. We will start by preparing the ingredients. Start by slicing 1 large lemon. Then take 3 large garlic cloves and peel and chop them. Now squeeze the lemon. Since it's large, you'll get about 4 to 5 tablespoons of juice. Next, you will need around 526 grams of cooked chickpeas, 60 grams of tahini, and about 1 cup of ice cubes. Also pour 115 grams of oil into a bowl. You'll use all these ingredients in steps. Now that everything's ready, it's time to blend them. Add your chickpeas into a food processor and blitz until mostly smooth. Start adding your ice, 1 cube at a time, and let it crush between each addition. Add the tahini and chopped garlic, then blend again until creamy. Next, add salt to taste and pour in 8 tablespoons of oil as well as that fresh lemon juice we have juiced earlier. Blend it one final time until it becomes a fluffy spread. Pour it into a serving dish. I did not have olive oil, so I used a blend of canola and olive oil. Top it off with a sprinkle of red chili powder and a few olives for garnish. And there you have it, cold, velvety, homemade hummus that's perfect as a dip, spread, or straight out of the bowl. Rich in protein, packed with flavor, and way better than store-bought. Let me know what you'd pair it with. Like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple recipes.